In this guide, I'm going to be showing you the procedure on how can you fix your laptop or PC mouse that is slow. So if you're having issue with your mouse, you could follow the steps in order to fix it. So if you're using a Bluetooth or a wireless mouse, then you want to make sure that your mouse is 100% charged. In many cases, if it requires battery, you might want to make sure to change the battery as well. And next thing, what you want to do is if you're using a wired or a USB type, maybe try clearing your USB port. Sometimes it could be due to dust or debris as well. And likewise, if that's not the case and if you're still having issue, you might want to go to mouse settings. So open up your settings on your device. So type in settings. As you go to the settings section, in the left hand side corner, you go to Bluetooth and devices. As you go to Bluetooth and devices, you will be able to find mouse right in between. Select the mouse option. First of all, you might want to make sure to adjust the mouse pointer speed as well. So you could either increase or maybe try decreasing it that as well. Next, you also want to make sure to go to line to scroll at a time. You could also increase or minimize this as well. As you've done this, you might want to go to additional mouse settings. Open this up. As you go to this section, then locate hardware from the pop-up menu. As you can see, it's right over here. Select it so. In many cases, it could be due to the outdated version as well. Select it so. You could go to properties and you could then go to drivers. And if you see update drivers, it could be one of the reasons why you're having issue. So update the drivers and select OK. That should also definitely help you out. After doing this, what you want to do is simply restart your device and restart, and this should definitely help you out. This is how you should be able to fix your laptop or a PC mouse that's slow. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.